Hello and welcome to LaunchEze. My name is John Hooks and I am the creator of LaunchEze. Now, as you know, LaunchEze is about launching quality products on a budget. So to start off with, this is the members area and this is what you will come to when you first log in. Over here to the left is your course menu, and to start off with, you have the welcome video, which you see here, and then you have your overview video, which will take you through basically what to expect through the rest of the course. And then we start with the fun stuff. So starting with day one, we're going to come up with creating an idea for your product, that is. Day number two, we're going to name your product. And why you should choose certain names, why it shouldn't be too long, why it shouldn't be too common, and other things about naming your product. Also on day two, if you don't already have a website and you want to get your own website, I teach you where to go and the different sources that are available where you can find domains or websites. And also, similar to naming your product, how to choose a domain name, because for one, it would be nice if somehow your domain name matched your product. Now also with this is an option. You do not have to get your own website, and I show you other options that are available. Day three is creating your course outline, which is very important because you're going to follow your outline when it comes to starting design and all the way through your launch process. You need to have an organized and complete outline to follow. Days 4 to 5 includes a couple of things. One, you're going to start designing, which means creating your logo, and also you're going to start creating your sales page and choosing. Well, actually, you're going to first start choosing your page builder if you're going to use your own website or domain. And what I mean by page builders are, items like Elementor or Beaver Builder, Drive Architect, Optimize Press, and even a few other options that you may not even be aware of that work just fine. In addition, on day 4 and 5, you're going to create your logo. Start designing your lessons from your outline, if you're going to have a product like this. And of course, there's different types of products and different formats of how you're going to display your product. Okay, and so day number 6, you're going to choose your launch date, and you're also going to establish a price for your product. And we're going to discuss why you should offer certain commissions to your affiliates, and what the actual purpose, especially if this is your first launch, what the actual purpose of your launch is. We're going to go through listing your product on LaunchEze so that affiliates can find it, and then on day 7 and 8, you're going to start designing your sales page. Okay, and so sales page is your actual sales page for your product, but it is also your JV page that you're going to create for your JVs, your JV doc page, which is just pertinent information that's for your JVs. You're going to create your sales video, and then decide if your pages are going to have videos or not. Okay, day 9 and 10. You're going to create your upsell pages, otherwise known as your OTOs. Now, this is highly recommended. You do not have to have 7, upsells, because we have seen those. But to start off with, you want to try to have at least a couple of upsells. And I explained the reason why you want to have those.